Welcome back to my channel BK Tech. So today we are going to study about the AWS CloudFront. So you will be thinking what is the AWS CloudFront is. So it is a managed AWS service that provide you solution for CDN. So now you will be thinking what is CDN. So CDN is a cloud developer network. Now you will be thinking that what is the cloud developer network? So CDN is a cloud developer network which helps in creating the multiple copies of a file which you upload on your platform at different edge location of AWS. So suppose you must have used the Instagram. So let's say suppose there is an Instagram portal. This is an Instagram portal and we are a user of Instagram. And what I will do is that whenever I log in into the account of like a user and all, so what I am going to do here is I will go into the Instagram portal and upload my image. And what Instagram will portal will do is that uh, Instagram portal will send this image into its central storage. So my image is now stored into the central storage. Now let's say there is no CDN right now in this phase. So let's say this is the process which Instagram follows. So whenever any user comes, it want to upload a photo, it comes on the Instagram portal and Instagram sends it to the central storage. But now let's say my friend is now in the let's say in Australia. And he want to see that what photo I uploaded. So he will also go into the Instagram portal and will request that the whatever the photo I have uploaded, can I see that? So Instagram will go and it will go again into the central storage and checks that that photo is uploaded or not. And if photo is uploaded, then it will again revert back to the Australian user that this is the photo that is uploaded. But you will be thinking that this is the very smooth process. No, there are many routers, or you can say that many routers are present in between, from which this request need to go before going to the central storage. And after, when the central storage returns back that image to that also goes back with the uh, go back from the so many of routers, and it takes a lot of time in reaching the user, which increase the latency. Because the thing is ki my central storage can be the anywhere in the world. Means it didn't have to be into the means Australia, or even if I am in the India, and it didn't have to be into the central storage has to be into the India or Australia. Let's say Instagram must have been using the central storage in the USA. So it will be taking a lot of time to handle one request. So for managing this problem, what uh, uh, Instagram means say Instagram has done is, or we can say they must have taken the help of AWS CloudFront, which will help them in solving this issue by just making the storing these photo in the edge location of their region. Let's say now what will happen is that let's say Instagram is router there, and I am also a user. I sends the request to upload a image. Then I went to the central storage, and Instagram went to the central storage where it stored it. Now there is a one user from Australia which tried to access my image with a request that I want to see that image. So on the first time, what Instagram will do is that it will go back to so many router which I told you, and go to the central storage and come back again with that image and give it to the user. But now we are using AWS CloudFront. So what AWS CloudFront will do is that it has known that once this Australian user has requested this, so what AWS CDN will do is that it will store this image in a means Australian region also, means there will be some edge location at the Australia where it will store this image, and whenever this Australian user will request to see image second time, what it will do is that it come to that Australian region and will from this region only this image will be again provided to user. So this will save the time of the user, means it will not take a much time to get that request successfully completed, means it will get that image faster from its edge location only, rather than going to the America region and getting that request. So now the latency will be decreased in this case, and your request will be served fastly. So this was the work of the AWS CloudFront to provide you the low latency and serving your request very fastly. So this was the explanation from the my side. Thank you for joining, and please like and share my video, and wait for the next new AWS upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.